Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and help me reach my goal of 500 subscribers by 30th of September, because it's my birthday and that would be an awesome birthday present. Today I will be reacting to Helicopter by CLC, which came out just yesterday, and I'm really excited about it. I did my eye makeup, again, I don't know if you can really see, with their official fandom colors, which I think they only updated this year and people are super happy about. So to celebrate that, you know, fandom colors. I'm trying, you guys, I'm trying. Fun fact, I actually met Sorn twice through a friend in Korea, and she's so lovely, so pretty, so cute. Yeah, we played Uno together. It was great. She was so nice. So yeah, there's my fun fact for this video, and with that, you know what, I think it's time that we start the reaction. Let's go! Wow, so fierce. Wow. Wow. Okay, I like this already. Oh, she's so pretty. Just want to like move and groove to it, you know? I love her dress. I'd never have anywhere to wear it, but I want it. I feel like we're getting ready for a drop. Woo! Oh, her little smirk. Oh, Sorn! She suits blonde hair so much. Like, she makes it look so natural. Whoa. I want that outfit. I want them all. Galaxy Goddess. They all look so good. Oh my god, I love it. Wow! Oh, I love their outfits so much. The styling is so on point. I wish it was boot weather already. Wow, this part's so nice. I'm like not even saying anything, so I'm just so into the song. The dancing is so cool. Does she have yellow nails? Oh, I should have done my nails yellow for the video. The journey never ends. How deep. Whoa, I loved it. It was so cool. I think they all looked really cool, really strong, really fierce. I do love like a strong female group concept a lot more than like a cutesy look. So that, wow, that was really great. I'll be honest, I don't listen to CLC a lot, but I do love Hobgoblin and I really like their like style. So I think I'm gonna start listening to them more from now on. So let me know what you think. Did you absolutely adore it? Because how could you not? Wow. Let me know all your thoughts. Please also let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to react to. I'm trying my best to keep on top of everything and keep track of everything that's coming out, but I'm sure I've missed things and I'm sure I will miss things. So please let me know if there's anything specific you'd like me to react to and I will certainly jump on it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, but please don't give it a thumbs down if you disliked it because that just makes me sad. Like I said at the beginning of the video, please also make sure to subscribe and help me reach my goal of 500 by the 30th of September. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please take care and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!